dog with high voltage electricity, even though that's probably a bad idea and it's going to taste terrible. This is 15,000 volts, so it's probably going to cook the hot dog. And before you complain about safety in the comments, I had my dad with me when I was doing this. He was behind the camera. He's an electrical engineer. We both knew how dangerous this is and took appropriate safety precautions. And all the other kids who were watching, we told them how dangerous this is and why, and they stayed away. Alright, now let's get to cooking hot dogs with 15,000 volts. Here we go. I think we need more current, because that just charred the surface.
Oh my goodness.
We need more power. We need more power. This is only 4,000 volts, but the current's way higher.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Off of this that actually got hit by the arcs.
It's
Okay, okay, I'm gonna try some. I think if this was cooked the normal way, I'd like it.
What's normal?
On a grill, not with 4,000 volts.